Akshaykumarposterlook, and today I'm going to do a very horror look, so you can guess it with my attire. So this is the Halloween month and I'm going to do a very horror look today, and guess what, I'm doing LaxmmiBomb look and I'm very excited to do this, and it's already a Halloween month going on and the movie is going to release very super soon. And really looking forward to watch that movie. It's a horror comedy type family movie and you can watch it with your family. It's not releasing in theater. Obviously I really wanted to see that movie in the theater, and it's kind of like Bhool Bhulaiya. You can, like, if you remember that movie, so that kind of horror movie it is. And I'm very big fan of Akshay Kumar and I'm really looking forward to watch his movies. I love all of his movies, and I'm going to do a proper LaxmmiBomb look. And what tell you about the movie a little bit, जो भी मैंने ट्रेलर से थोड़ा बहुत ऑब्जर्व किया है. So it's a man who don't believe in a superstition and paranormal things, and when he get back to India for his fiance, I guess, and when he realized that there is some spirit in the house, and then he started realizing he's becoming a transgender. So that's very different for a Bollywood movie, and all the masalas and all the comedies Akshay do, and I love his acting, and I really wanted to do this look, and I've waited so long for this month because I want to do a Halloween look and it's a horror movie, so it's perfect match for me. So let's get started. And this is the final look, and it's kind of scary, I guess. If you like the look, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.